Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic Handmaidenof Distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope and pray that all is well with you. Hope you're having a good day or had a good day, depending on what time of the day you are watching this video. Yep, and I just wanted to say, if you have not gone to our Facebook page and liked it, go over to our Facebook page. All of the information that you probably would need is over in or down in the description box. And also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, if you found this channel by accident or by happenstance or on purpose, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload. We do not have a schedule over here. So we are just, it's a lifestyle channel, so we are living out the seat of our pants, you know, when life, you know, because life is life, you know, things are happening in all of our lives and whatnot, so we don't have a schedule, but we would want you to be notified when we do have videos that have been uploaded and whatnot. So please do that. You're welcome to like, comment, and share our videos as well and whatnot. So this one is not as hot as I would like it. But yes, I just wanted to pop in here really quickly, if you don't mind. Just a small chat. Like I said, I don't know if I said I'm just doing some dishes, just some little dishes. It's kind of late and I had not gotten these dishes done. That should have been done a long time ago. So I'm going to run and really do these really quickly so that I can go to bed. I've had a bath, so I am ready to, you know, reset more or less. But it was, you know, I think I mentioned this, and I'm not sure if it was on this channel or another. I'm going to try to consolidate some kind of way my channels, but nonetheless. So, you know, it's unfortunate that people, you know, they are in different relationships and whatnot, and they are in these relationships and they allow, you know, because of the desperation or whatever, to be in these particular relationships, they allow and accept and or tolerate so much nonsense. It's so ridiculous and it's so sad, you know, and it's not just young folks, you know, younger than us. It's people that are older as well, and it's like, you know, it's not that serious. You can be alone. You can really be alone. Being alone is not bad because you're really not alone, especially us who know Christ Jesus. There's no such thing as being alone when you have Christ Jesus. You know what I'm saying? So I want to say that don't put yourself in a relationship, or don't stay in a relationship that's full of nonsense. If someone mistreats you, or, you know, doesn't treat you to your standard, and I'm not talking about nonsense. Oh, they don't open the door, they don't buy me this, no, I'm not talking about nonsense. I'm talking about serious, natural things, character, and things of that nature. If people are not treating you well, then you need to exit the relationship, you know, or not even start it in the first place, because you know all the signs. You've already seen that a person is not a nice person, or they might not even just be nice, they're just not for you. But you don't have to be in a relationship because you got pregnant by a person. No. This water is just really not the soapiest for me for some reason. Oh, because of the vinegar. The vinegar is cutting all the soap, I think. I should have threw in some peroxide. Forgive me, I'm running out of breath too. But if, you know, you get pregnant by somebody, you don't have to marry that person. That does not, you still, you know, you know, no disrespect, but it's still an immoral situation, whether you know, you have, you know, got married or not gotten married or whatever. It's a wrong situation to get married because you got pregnant by somebody. You know, if you don't want to be with that person, or that person is not, because sometimes, anyway, if that person, you know, you don't get married because you got pregnant by somebody. That's a wrong reason to get married. You marry someone because you want to be with them, and because they want to be with you. When you want to be with them, they want to be with you. That should be the reason why we are in relationship with one another. Not because of anything else. Not because of financial reasons. Oh, we can't manage, or we can't live alone. because we're financially we can't do it. No, don't live with somebody or be with somebody because of that. That's ridiculous. That's a ridiculous reason to be with somebody. Be with somebody because, again, I say, you want to be with them and they want to be with you. You two are happy with one another. Don't say you're with somebody because of the children. Well, we're together because of the children. You're not doing those children a favor. You're not doing those children a favor at all by being together, because sometimes there's so much rancor and because that person might even wind up despising, because they might have wanted to do something else with their life, but they got to be with you, or they feel like they have to be with you, and they might have wanted to be with somebody else, or wanted to, do something else in life, or something like that. So that's really kind of what I wanted to come on and say. I want to know what you feel about this. So what's your stance on such a thing? Because we got to be careful and help these young folks and people, period, because there's no, I'm not going to, unless I have full-blown dementia or something, I'm not going to be with you because of children, because of I need a place to live, because of anything. That's, no. Now, we might be in a roommate situation, but I'm not going to be with you if I don't want to be with you. I'm not going to be with you for money, for children, or for anything, That's just ridiculous. And don't lower your standards. Don't you lower your standards to do such a thing. Because a lot of times nowadays, I don't even want to go into that. I don't even want to go into that one right now. That would be too much to talk about. But that was all I wanted to come on and say. Like I said, I almost finished with my dishes here. I just had a few, cups, bowls, or takeaway, Tupperware-ish items and things of that nature. So, and I probably will not be sweeping any floors. So I'm just going to clean off the counters and the stove. Just get onto the floors or any other thing tomorrow, because I'm going to be doing some different. I got a lot of projects. I got so many projects on my hand right now that I need to take care of, and then things look like they just keep getting worse because we always get Amazon packages or some kind of package to the point that the house, it will be full of boxes, or we need to figure out where we're going to store something, or whatever, you understand. House management, domestic engineering. Oh boy, it's a mess. So I think I'm getting ready to do something called seven rooms in 7 days, where I'll be cleaning and organizing 7 different rooms in the house here very soon. Probably start almost tomorrow, because I want to do, it's fall is upon us, winter is upon us, and little insects like to come in. So I am going to either hire an exterminator. We were on a plan with somebody, but one of the exterminators, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys before, so it has enough to tell me, well, what would you rather have? Roaches? Because it's spiders, and they talking about, well, like they can't get rid of spiders. No, you're going to get rid of spiders, or you get out of here. I don't need you if you can't get rid of spiders, because that's my main, those are my points of contention, or my problem right there. But he was saying, what would you rather have, roaches or rats, ma'am? It's like, don't talk to me like that. Don't say such a thing like that to me. I'd rather not have any insect in my house at all. I don't need insects in my house. I have little human beings, big human beings. I have myself. I don't need insects, rodents, or any such thing in my house. No, I don't do that. And no animal at all. Nothing. Just the human people. The humans. That's enough to take care of and to manage and whatever. But anyway, I'll probably go to Home Depot tomorrow. I'm waiting on a package to come. So I want to kind of coordinate that trip with, we're going to Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere to pick up some insect repellent. I saw a really natural one, a really good natural one, but I'm not sure about it yet, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to get, but I need to get something, and I'm going to do this entire house. I'm going to do this entire house, and yeah, because I have to. It's like I said, and then, you know, when the winter, before the winter comes, before the fall sets in good, I like to have everything in the house done. I like to have, you know, the cleaning, the organizing, little things that I like to do and have in the house prepped so that we enjoy our, you know, our solstice, you know, our autumn and whatnot. We just relax and enjoy each other and have, you know, you don't have to worry about all this cleaning and organizing and all of that. I like to have all of that kind of stuff done so that I can enjoy, because there's some craft items that I'd like to get to, some beading and things, you know, some things I'd like to sit down and do and enjoy, you know. So I've done all of the other things I could do, you know, for the other seasons. So now I want to, you know, relax. So that's all. I just wanted to bring that up because that is, that's a beast to me, you know. Relationships are just, they something else, and a lot of people, they don't have good role models for relationships, and the ones they have are from television. They use televisions as their for their examples, and it's like, oh, that's too bad, you know, and if you're just using anybody's, because you don't know, unless you in that home, really in that home, you don't know what's going on with them people. Even children don't even know what's going on with their parents, because their parents could, you know, because a lot of times parents, you know, you have parents, and the next thing you know, you think you're in a happy family and whatnot. The next thing you know, the parents talking about, well, we're getting ready to divorce. And the child is like, or the children are like, what? What happened? You know, we didn't know that there was a problem or whatever, you know, or whatever. Because you don't know what's going on in people's relationships. And it's really not your business like that. What I'm saying is, you know, your relationship is your own. Every relationship has its own characteristics and personality, you know, but every relationship should be good. And if you don't have a good relationship, a good, positive, trusting relationship with somebody, then you shouldn't be in it, whether it's a friendship or you know, whatever. Because I don't like that. I don't like that kind of stress. Did I wash everything? Oh, I think I'm done, except for this one jar that I want to put my tarragon in, like the shape of this. Let me take that. It was some cinnamon in it. I love the shape of this. I think this is like a Nestle. Yep, a Nestle bottle. But anyway, that's all I want to say. So anyway, let me know what your thoughts are about relationships. And you know, do you have it? And plus, do you even have idea of any type of pest repellent or that you like to use, and some that even might be natural? If you have any ideas, please leave them down in the comment section. Call me, email me, or come on by, because I do not like insects. I'm telling you, that is just the worst thing for me. I do not want to see you in my house. I don't want to see you in the web relaxing, chilling, or any such thing. No way. You know, so anyway, I got enough to deal with. You know, keeping a house is not something that's easy. You know, I see why people go into one room, even one, you know, and having just one room. Managing homes is not easy, and, you know, whatever. But anyway, we enjoy and we love our family, so we do our best for that. So anyway, that was all. I'm going to rinse these dishes now and get this counter cleaned off and the stove, and get my little self, drink me some water, some nice fresh water, and get my little self in the bed so I can start this day all over again, reset. So, love you. Don't forget, please, let me know if there's any type of repellent you know of. And, you know, what about relationships, you know, and whatnot? What you think about that type of thing, about being with somebody for money, because of financial reasons, being with somebody because of the children, or because you got pregnant or something like that. Long gone are those days. That was the 50s and things of that nature, when we were in relationships or had to get married or something like that. You don't have to get married. You can do this alone. You and your child can even be healthy still if there's two parents or one parent. Nice that we got two parents, but sometimes you in a two-parent home, and it's not even two parents. Really, the one parent is still like one parent, because two parents are not hands-on doing the thing. Just because somebody got two parents in the home, don't mean that them two parents are really doing what they need to be doing as a parent. So being a one parent, you can do it too. You can do it too. Yes. But anyway, I digress. Love you very much. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, who is the Lord's handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye for now.